In this sizzling month of July, I mean literally sizzling, breaking record temperatures, it seems almost every day, a wave of innovative installations is also making a huge impact. Installations are hot. We're not even halfway through the month, and already we've seen a bevy of intriguing installation stories make their mark. First up, let's journey out to Southeast Asia. Theia, a digital label printing division of Cahaya, Jakarta, has pioneered the Screen L350UV SAI inkjet series, becoming the first company to do so not just in Indonesia, but in the entire Southeast Asia region. With a rich history dating back to 1991, this company's constant evolution has been nothing short of remarkable. From their beginnings with letterpress printing, they made significant leaps in technology, investing in flexographic printing in 2002 and Indonesia's first industrial digital printing press in 2009. Crossing over to Europe, Interket continues to solidify its footprint in the industry at the same time with the installation of another Mark Andy Evolution Series E5 flexo press at its Swedish production plant in Helsingborg. It's their first Mark Andy press in Sweden, and with a specification that includes turn bars, cold foil, and a sheeter, 2 die cutting stations, it's easy to see why Stefan Gustafsson, the managing director, lauds it as, quote, a real moneymaker. Meanwhile, in Turkey, Güleç Etiket is gearing up to ride the digital wave. The company recently invested in a Screen Truepress Jet L350 SAI-E machine, and that's of course motivated by their desire to adapt to the evolving shift to digital. Turning to Poland, Grafpress has just installed the Lemorau Smart-L finishing machine. It's a compact finishing machine, operates in both full rotary and semi-rotary modes, and provides Grafpress the edge it needs to maintain its competitive advantage. In Spain, the ever-progressive Adhesivos Romero Garcia has added a Nilpter FA-17 press to its roster, with a long-standing partnership with Nilpter. Angel Garcia, the manager of the company, seems pretty confident that this latest acquisition will yield another good return on the investment, no doubt underlining another evolution in the company's story dating all the way back to 1987. Finally, we journey to Switzerland, where the multinational QP Holding Group has procured a Multitec dual servo S2 8-color press. The company has further agreements in place to acquire more Multitec presses for its Swiss, German, and Hungarian facilities, showing that they're truly committed to raising the bar in printing standards. What a month, fascinating developments so far in July. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of labels and labeling. And if you like this information, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and remember, every label tells a story. Thanks for watching.